everyone and welcome for part 2 of 3 of my Steps from Hell series. If you haven't seen the first video, I will link it here in the upper corner for you to check this out first, because this one is the second in a row and is titled 2 Steps from Hell because we are closing in. The approach to this piece is pretty much the same than it was in the first video. I used the same colors, which is a black, burgundy red, white and a neon yellow. And other than that, it is pretty much the same approach, pretty much the same technique. I used less of the white this time because it overpowered quite a bit. And what I try to achieve in each of the pours is that the vibrant neon yellow is sitting on top of the white or on top of the red. So I tried to not have it touched with the black inside of the cup, to not intermix there already. Of course, it will a bit intermix when you pour everything. This is something you cannot really avoid, especially when it's down on the canvas and you begin tilting and stretching the paints. Yeah, you never know. But at least I want to try to have the yellow far away from the black, to not have this toxic green color that I in a way achieved in the first one. So yeah, this is what I try to get at least. The design and the look of the second one was really cool. I did get some of the cloud effect that I was hoping for. So these really muted cloud thingies that I got on the painting look like something demon-like passage to the underworld. I don't know. So just my weird imagination. You can of course leave me in a comment what you see in it, if you see something completely different. I always love to hear your thoughts, what you can see in these abstract paintings. I seem to like the gene that I see so many things that people tell me in the comments. I love reading it, I try to see the same things, but more than often I fail to see it. But I really love to hear what you can see in the things. This sums up the project from this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching, liked the color palette, although it was darker than I usually go. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't done so far. You know the deal, I've told this over and over again in each of my videos. So I hope to see you tomorrow in my third part of this series, and other than that, I wish you a great day. Bye bye.